Okay, so I just stumbled onto this tool called bootc-image-builder, and it's all about creating disk images from container inputs. That's wild.
Right? What's fascinating is that it's particularly oriented towards Fedora and CentOS. It's like they're optimizing for those ecosystems.
Exactly. And the installation seems pretty straightforward too, using Podman. I mean, a container to build containers? That's like Inception.
Totally. And what blew my mind is the part about running it on different architectures, like seamlessly switching between x86-64 and ARC-64. How cool is that?
Wait, seriously? So it adapts based on the architecture you're using? That changes everything.
Yeah, it really does. It's a game changer for developers who need to test across multiple environments without hassle.
And I love how they emphasize using derived images instead of the base ones. It's like a reminder to personalize your setup.
Exactly. Speaking of personalization, did you see the example where you can inject user configurations? That's a great touch.
Right? The config.toml file can specify users, passwords, even SSH keys. It makes setting up virtual machines so much easier.
Oh, the power of automation. It's like setting up a personalized virtual space just the way you want it.
And the image types they support, AMIs, QCOW2, VMDK, it's like they've thought of everything.
I know, and the fact you can upload AMIs directly to AWS is a serious time saver. Who wouldn't want that convenience?
And it requires setting up the VM import service role, which makes it feel like you're stepping into the DevOps world.
Definitely. But it's also a bit daunting because it means managing those AWS permissions.
True, but for cloud developers, having those integrations really makes life easier. It's like connecting dots in a complex web.
Definitely. And the build process itself, using Podman commands, feels very user-friendly.
Yeah, I was surprised by how intuitive it is. Just a few commands and you're off building your images.
And then there's the customization options. I love how you can set root file system types depending on your needs.
That's something you don't see every day. A tool that caters to both beginner and advanced users.
Right? And how about the flexibility to tweak the file system size? It's surprisingly thoughtful.
It really is. So many projects forget details like that, which can lead to headaches down the line.
Yes, and it integrates Kickstart scripts to automate installations, which is a huge win for efficiency.
Exactly. It's like getting a head start on your installations. It's such a practical feature.
And the ability to enable or disable Anaconda modules. That's next-level customization for installers.
Oh, wow, it is. It's like having the ultimate control over your setup process.
But what I find really interesting is how it prioritizes disabling modules over enabling. That's a clever design.
Right? It prevents conflicts. It's like they put themselves in the user's shoes and thought ahead.
That brings a lot of value to the table. You really can streamline so much of the process.
Totally. And I appreciate all the documentation they provided. It seems comprehensive.
Yes, a clear guide always makes a tool 10 times more accessible and encourages experimentation.
It's something that can really empower both new and experienced developers to dive in.
For sure. And the community aspect, contributing and reporting bugs, adds to the collaborative spirit.
That's important. It fosters a sense of ownership among users, making it feel like a shared project.
And I love that they have alternative communication avenues like GitHub discussions and Matrix.
Exactly. It means feedback and collaboration can happen more organically. It brings everyone together.
So if you're building images or automating environments, this tool seems like a must check out.
Absolutely. I can totally see this speeding up a lot of workflows in both development and production.
And with all these customization features, it truly personalizes the experience like never before.
I'm just amazed at how much thought went into this. It's a breath of fresh air in the container world.
100%. This makes me rethink how I approach my own projects. There's so much potential here.
Right? And it's exciting to think of the possibilities ahead, especially with future updates.
Oh, absolutely. I can't wait to see how this evolves, and I'm definitely trying it out soon.
Same here. This whole conversation has been an eye-opener. Just imagine the impact on workflows.
Yup. So what's our next discovery together? Because this was utterly enlightening,